Assalamu alaikum guys. I am your friend Heather Alisha and you are watching Techno Facilities Management Services. Guys, we have started a series of videos in which we will talk about different technical stuff, in which we will talk about the tools that you can use to increase your productivity during your office work, during your homeworks, during your studies. So this series of videos will definitely benefit you in a long run, and you will be able to use most of the stuff that is available over the internet for free. I mean, like the cracked versions. So in today's video I will show you how to install a cracked version of MS Office 2021 edition on your computer, and then I will also show you how to crack it. I have downloaded all the stuff on my computer, and let's extract the installation files from the archive, and then we will install it on the computer. So the extraction is done, and click on the cmd1 file and it will head over to the installation. So installation has been started. It is installing all the stuff on my computer. So the installation has been completed, and now we will apply the crack. So click on the cmd2 file and it will start applying the cracks on the installed software. Once the crack is done, then we will check all the applications, all the components of the MS Office software, one by one, if they are activated or not. So let's check the MS Word first. So the crack is almost done, and you can see accept the license agreement. So it means the application has been already registered and cracked very well. Let's check the other applications as well, like the PowerPoint, the Outlook, Excel, etc., etc. If one of the component gets activated, so it means all the other components should work as well. So this way you can use all the necessary features in free, and I have been using this correct version for almost a year, and I am finding no problem with it. It is working very well, just like a paid version. I never pay any penny for such applications. The stuff that is available over the internet for free, so I never pay any penny for it. I don't even go to cinemas. I am not a fool that I would pay my money for wasting my time watching a movie. So you should follow my channel, and you would be able to know how I use all this stuff, and you will learn from me, and then you do the same. We will meet in the next video, inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.